Up YouTube. Today we're back with another banger video, and today we're gonna go pick up something. Like, it's a good one, a truck. It just has no title, and the 2022 official Offer Outlaws Demolition Derby is coming up, so I'm gonna have to, tune that and all for the derby. So like, we gotta go pick it up. This truck ain't light, so my truck is gonna squat like really bad. Cause I think the suspension in it is like going bad, but it would have to do just for this tow. Usually don't haul cars like this, but it's just because the Offer Outlaws Derby is coming up, and I'm planning on participating in it this year. It is, we gotta go this way because the woods down there, we had a very bad tornado like a few months ago, and supposedly it didn't do that much damage, but it was just tiny. It was like a small tornado, nothing big. Hit that bridge and tore it down. So like, I guess they're planning on building it like this again, but I'm not sure. So like, yeah. So we're coming back past the racetrack here, and almost there. Got like about another 35-minute drive to get there, like in game, not in real life. This truck goes slow, pulling the trailer, and it is all maxed out. It's just because this truck ain't meant for pulling. I'm telling you, man. And the Ford Rangers and stuff in this game, the dude said, but like, they don't pull that thing. Believe it or not, it is actually free and it runs, but like, I'm gonna do the $100 just cause. So like, gonna have to pull up here. Don't know why it's parked in a bush, but this thing got some power to it. Honestly. Okay, so we got the truck all loaded up. It's just one heavy truck. Okay guys, this is part 1, and there's gonna be a second part coming out, so